Here's a review of a Char-Broil LP Tabletop Gas Grill. It takes these Coleman propane canisters, or you could use the big tanks. And you have to buy the adapter hose. You can get this from Home Depot. It has threads on this end. Inside here is the exact same thing that's inside the bottle. And you have to buy another one of these because at the end of the first cord is just a thing that's like right here. So, I just cooked on it. I haven't cleaned it yet. I know it's dirty. You have 6 vents on the back. Gets very dirty. Okay. So here's the inside. This cord, like they say on all the reviews, that cord right there is very short. And it's very tight. So I'll go ahead and start it. You don't see that. You might not be able to see that. There you can, there you go. Yeah. Alright, there. It has an igniter on it. It's not bad. For $23, what do you expect? Not much.